Hello. This internal video is an instruction of a smart home apps which can be used on Android smartphones. The app is developed based on Android Studio. Ideally, for smart home software, it should be able to monitor and control the home devices remotely and intelligently, and provide a variety of smart home services which cover most aspects of our daily life. So when the app starts, it will skip to the login interface, which you can see on the screen. On this interface, the users have to type in the username of their corresponding password to sign into their personal account. The email address is taken as a standard format of the username. However, the format of the password is defaulted as a mixture of numbers, letters, and symbols. In addition, if users forget the password or do not process an account, they could click the buttons of the Forget the Password and create an account to fetch the relevant service. Okay, so let's sign into our app. On the screen, you can see the interface of the control panel of the app. The control panel plays as an instructor in app because all the devices which are linked to the software can be found on it. On the screen, you can see that the devices including heaters, hot water system, lights, refrigerators, and security monitors are considered in the app design so far. They are classified into different blocks. The users could press the different button to visit the individual module to check and adjust the status of each device. In addition, more devices could be added to the software through Add the New module. And this button is a portal to the Energy Report module. The setting section can be found here. You can click it and find the setting or sign out and the website of our university. So that is the control panel interface. Now let's start with the heater. The heater is one of the most often used devices in your family. On the screen, you can see that the status of the heater can be changed by clicking this button. And the temperature sensors which are located around the house can transmit the real-time indoor or outdoor temperature information to the embedded program, and the temperature information will be displayed on the screen like this. So you can see that the current inside temperature now is about 11 degrees, and external temperature is about 8 degrees. The users could also set the target temperature. Just click this button and moving the stick bars to find their preferred temperature. On the basis of the real-time environment conditions, the embedded program could calculate the estimated heating time that the heater system requires to heat the room from the current temperature to the target temperature. The estimated time will be shown as a pop-up message on screen. So just click this button. You can see that to hit the current temperature from the 11 degrees to 21 degrees need about 110 minutes. So I think this is a quite intelligent function for the app. So that's it. The next one is about the hot water system. The hot water system is a necessary device for family, similar with the interface of the TRV heater. The status of the hot water system also can be monitored and controlled by clicking this button. And the current water temperatures are displayed on this block. The target temperature can be set by the users. Just unlock this one and move the stick bars and select a proper value of the temperature and confirm. Then the target temperature is set at the 61 degrees. And the start time of the hot water system can also be changed by clicking this button. And then we can select a proper time just like this and confirm. So the start time is set. So this is the hot water system. Let's go back. And the next one is about the house lighters. Okay, on the screen you can see the interface of the lights status. There are 5 lights connected to the software right now, and you can see that the lights are divided into different groups. They are living room groups and the bedroom groups, and you can click on the button to decide the status of the lights. Okay, so let's turn off them on. The brightness of the light can be adjusted by moving the stick bar like this, and you can see that the brightness is adjusted. This is a very impressive function, as the users could adjust their light status remotely and at anywhere, at any time. So it's why it's quite convenient. So that's it. Let's go back. The next one is about the refrigerators. Okay, the refrigerators is a common used home appliance in a family, and the status of it is normally on every day. On this block, you can see the temperature of the upper layer of the refrigerators, and this one shows the temperature of the freezer layer. The temperature data are obtained from the sensors which are inside. In addition, the software offers 2 models, auto models and the menu models, for user to select. When the auto model is selected, the fridge could be able to set the target temperature automatically and adjust it according to the environment. On the other hand, when the menu model is selected, the temperature setting component is unlocked. Users can adjust the temperature of the refrigerators layers and the freezer layers by themselves, just like this, moving the stick bar and select their preferred value, and then confirm. So the temperature are reset. This is the interface of the refrigerators. Okay, so let's go back to see the next one, security monitor module. On the screen, you can see the interface for the security cameras. Our software is able to transmit the real-time video resource from the security cameras and show them on the screen of the smartphone. The users can switch the different buttons to decide which camera are being used. Now at the moment, you can see the video resource is from the security camera 1. This is simulation videos. We can also use the real-time videos. Okay, so this is the real-time videos. As so far, only camera 1 is connected to the software. In future, we may have more cameras can be connected to the software. In addition, the app also provides the service such as capture an instant image, record the video, and the stop record of the video. By using these services, the users could manage their house security easier and better. So this is the interface of the real-time video. Let's go back. The next one is about the energy report of the smart home. We have to click on this button to go to the energy report. The people may concern more about the daily and monthly energy consumption and the bill of their home devices when they evaluate their smart home app. Therefore, the app should be able to monitor energy usage and estimate the total cost for the users. So on the screen, you can see the energy report in details. This block shows the today's energy usage, and this one is today's energy cost. However, the monthly usage and the monthly cost are displayed on these two blocks. Moreover, it also explains where the bills come from and the proportion of each devices. In this case, you can see that the central heater accounts for about 42% of the energy usage, which is the highest one among all the devices. On the right side, you can see the corresponding energy cost for each devices. When the people have this energy report, they may have a better understanding of their energy consumption and the cost. So that's it. This is the energy report interface. Let's go back to the control panel. To summary, these videos present a smart home apps which can be used on a smartphone based on Android system. The app could control and monitor several home devices so far, and some intelligent functions can be achieved. However, the software should be compatible with the provided hardware. This may be the most difficult work in next stage. In future, we plan that more home devices and more relative smart services will be considered in the app design. It is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.